Hey guys, today I'm making an experiment on how does a swing work. Basically, the aim is to understand a simple pendulum's function and structure. Hello and welcome back to Percy and Janisha's Cutie channel, and today I'll be showing you how a pendulum works. So for this, you'll need NA cutouts, a bob and a thread. So the bob is really heavy, and you can find these things in nearby stores or stationery stores. Now let's get started. First, let's detach whatever things are required from the cutouts, and let's do the same for the foam cutouts as well. The cutouts in the foam aren't required because we'll be attaching the wooden cutouts, as you guys can see. So now we're going to take the foam B1 and attach SG1 and SG2 to it. So just like this, as you guys can see in the video, and then we're going to attach SG3 to SG1 and SG2 as shown. Yeah, it was wrong, so I'm doing it again. The placement was wrong. Yeah. And then we're going to take the thread and attach the bob to it on one end, just like so. My thread is really long, so I'm just cutting it and keep the extra thread aside, and I'm going to take the thread and attach it to the bob to the one end. I'm making 2 knots as the bob is really heavy. And now I'm going to take the other end of the thread and tie it to SG3, as you guys can see. And now we're going to gently pull the bob back and release it. Watch what happens. It can even be done side to side. A simpler pendulum moves in an oscillating motion. The pendulum swings back and forth periodically. It requires force to do so. Once the force is removed, the pendulum eventually comes to a halt. Conclusion. Initially, the bob is the mean position A. When the bob is pulled to one side and released, the bob moves to and fro with an equal distance from the mean position A, both in both directions. It is an example of periodic motion. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.